Welcome to 1110 Cedarcroft Crescent, a recently renovated 3+1 bedroom home with 4 washrooms, nestled in the family-minded Maple Ridge neighbourhood of Central Pickering's high-demand Liverpool community. The attached double-car garage is accessible from the front walkway, and the east-facing double-door entrance has zebra blinds for light control and privacy. The windows of the main-level kitchen and dining room outfitted with zebra blinds as well. Beautifully updated and exuding modern elegance, the main level showcases upgraded tiled flooring in the reception and kitchen areas, new wide plank flooring in the living and dining rooms, pot lighting, upgraded trims and baseboards set against a chic neutral decor, as well as an eye-catching accent wall that extends from the hallway and across into the living room. Above the dining area is a contemporary chandelier casting ambient light that brings a wonderful sense of intimacy to the room. And entertaining from these two spaces easily spills out to a sunroom that has been updated with vinyl plank flooring and which features west and south-facing floor-to-ceiling windows, north-facing accent windows, and a walkout to a deep, fenced-in backyard with a storage shed that has exceptional potential for future outdoor entertaining, gardening, and/or play space. Bright and exceptionally functional, the kitchen has a galley-style layout that showcases tiled backsplashes and quartz counters, the counter along the south wall having a waterfall edge, a stainless steel French door fridge, oven and range hood, double undermount sink, dishwasher and microwave, the convenience of a front-load washer and dryer, as well as updated cabinetry with upgraded hardware and exceptional storage. Carrying to the upper level is a new hardwood staircase and railing with wrought iron pickets, this level showcasing new wide plank flooring throughout, 3 spacious bedrooms, all with upgraded light fixtures and zebra blinds on their windows, 2 beautifully appointed washrooms, and pot lighting in the hallway. The main 3-piece washroom features upgraded tiled finishes, a glass shower with a wall niche, and a vanity with a stone counter, and both the second and third bedrooms have double closets with mirrored doors, good-sized west-facing windows, and space for sitting or study areas. The graciously sized master suite enjoys the natural brightness of an east-facing exposure, has space for a sitting area, and a walk-in closet. Its ensuite washroom showcasing upgraded tiled finishes, pot lighting, a glass shower with a wall niche, and a vanity with a stone counter. The main level additionally features a coat closet in the foyer, while off the hallway is a powder room with an upgraded vanity, and the stairs to the fully finished lower level, which, with the recent addition of a separate side door entrance, can be utilized as a basement apartment or in-law suite. Featuring pot lighting and updated with vinyl plank flooring throughout, this level has storage under the staircase and an open concept recreation area updated to include a kitchen finished with a quartz counter, tiled backsplashes, white cabinetry, as well as a stainless steel undermount sink, oven, and fridge. The 4-piece washroom has tiled finishes throughout, access to a stacked front-load washer and dryer, a bath area with a shower wall niche, and a floating vanity. And completing this suite is a large bedroom with an upgraded light fixture and great closet storage. Walking distance to Maple Ridge Public, St. Isaac Jogues Catholic Elementary, and Pine Ridge Secondary Schools, as well as public transit and the Glendale Marketplace Plaza. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.